Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. In today's video we have a massive deep clean of my makeup room, my beauty room, because obviously if you've watched my socials for the past month, I've been doing a lot of Halloween looks and the state of this room is embarrassing, but we move. We're here. It's getting tidy. But yeah, I'm also freezing. My hair is finally nice and fresh and washed for the first time in like a few weeks, like properly washed. I have washed it obviously, but I've put a hair mask in yesterday and got my hair in heatless curls ready for tonight because I'm going out with the girls for finally my birthday meal. But yeah, that's tidy and organised. I want to say a massive hello to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for all the support on my 31 days of Halloween. If you haven't checked it out yet, go head over to my shorts. They are all on there. And give all the videos some love. I would appreciate it. I'm going to answer all the comments today as well because I have not kept up with the comments. So yeah, thank you so much to everyone who has interacted. Thank you for being here. This might even be the first full-length video, like long video you're watching, so I hope you enjoy. You're going to see a bit more of my like personal life, like today. Anyway, let me just show you what my makeup room looks like. It's embarrassing. I've got a massive bin there. I need to pick up all the rhinestones from my skull look I did. It is a mess, guys, but we're gonna get there. It's gonna be finished today and I'm excited. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna tackle our utility room because we've got washing still hanging up and I've got so much PR in the corner over there and just mess from the 31 days of Halloween, so let's tidy up. Guys, if you haven't got one of these, it's like a sock, knicker, pants sort of holder. Connor's mum told us about it. Oh my god, game changer. Absolutely love it. Okay, so first things first, I think I need to get rid of this bin. Okay, table is down. We are getting some room. I need to pick up all these, which is gonna be fun. I might take my chair out of this room because it's in the way. This is why I need a laminate flooring or something in here, and I think I've ruined the sofa there as well. Pink on it. Okay, I'm going to tackle this stuff now. This stuff is my Halloween stuff I've bought for the looks. apart from the eyeshadows. Got all my wigs here. Honestly, the best place to get lace front wigs, AliExpress. I don't think I paid more than £20 for one. Christmassy boots haul pending, guys. I bought so much stuff. Actually, I've got 2 boots hauls coming, so one before Halloween started. Enjoy. This is definitely needed. A bit of energy. Actually going to tackle the clothes. I actually have to start packing for Poland as well. Might do that tomorrow. But we fly out on Connor's birthday on Sunday. Very early. So if you want to see that vlog, let me know. I still need to post my Oz vlog, but I didn't really vlog much, to be honest. I was just in the moment. Me and Connor were having such a good time. So yeah, I didn't really think to film much. I do love the memories. Random side note, but I got sent some vouchers through the post, not gifted or anything, like from Always, the brand. I got sent a like coupon code through the post and I got free pads, literally for free. That is so good. Why isn't my camera focusing today? This is what they look like here. I got sent 2 of the same thing for some reason, but you best believe I'll be using those again next month. So that's amazing. Being a woman is hard work. I'm watching Saffron Barker and she's really inspiring me to film daily vlogs. My little minis for Poland. I was going to put all this away. I'm doing a get ready with me in a bit, so I'm just going to leave it out. I got to take my Halloween decks off. Okay, that'll do for now. That'll do. So I'm just filling up my ISO clean because I need to seriously wash my makeup brushes from the Halloween looks, and I was in desperate need to refill my ISO clean bottle. So I've got a makeup towel here and also some kitchen roll. I'm not going to bore you with washing my brushes. I'm doing it on TikTok because I did get kindly sent the refill ISO clean brush cleaner. So that's great. So I'll pick back up when I do something else. Okay, I look a mess, but we are getting there, guys. But I forgot that I had this parcel from, if you don't know already, I switched from working from Clinique. I now work for MAC Cosmetics, which is, younger me would be screaming right now. But obviously I did the basic training the other week and sorry about the lighting. They gifted me some products, obviously because I've started working for them. My faves, Velvet Teddy. If you haven't seen their new packaging, go into store and go have a look. It is so nice. A little bit bigger than the old lipsticks, but I'm not sure if there's more formula, but they are nice. They're very sleek. Love that. Got a mini strobe cream, which is exciting. It's the full size, but we can't have it all. Full size MAC Stack mascara. Can't wait to use that. I've used that in the past. Another one. I went on training to London with MAC. They gifted us one of these. I'm so excited because I haven't even used up my old one. I thought the last one I used up was my last one, but I actually found this in my skincare drawer unopened, so that's the old packaging. I'm gonna miss her. But then this is the new packaging. If you've seen the setting spray, it's the same mist as that, more of like a lighter mist. I think we are meant to be getting the Pro palette, which is like the cream like palette with the primary colours in. I really hope we get that because I was so excited when they said that we're gonna get it. And then I got another lipstick in, of course, Ruby Woo. And then I got the Lip Prep and Powering Base and the Pro Locked Brow Gel, which I've been loving. And I apologise if the camera keeps going blurry. So that's a few things from them. Thought I'd just quickly show you that, guys, because I'm going to put them away now. So yeah, I'm pretty much done in this room now. That's all I'm going to do today. I'm going to get ready now because I want to be ready before, like, quite early. It is 3:15 and I don't think we're going out until like 6, but we all know how slow I get ready. So yeah, maybe I'll show you what the room's looking like before I mess it up again getting ready. Okay, so compared to what it did look like, this is a massive improvement. Yeah, chaos, but that's going to be tidied up. That's my perfume box, which I'm going to put in that cupboard eventually when I sort through it. This is a massive improvement. Stuff over there that I need to sort out tomorrow. That I'm going to film with now. So, and I need to find a place for my highlighters. Not that I use them much, but, and I need to find some stain remover for that. Other than that, I am officially done for the day. I now need to get ready for going out. We're going to Cardiff, we're going to Ivy Asia for my birthday, which is nice. And my one friend can definitely come now. I'm out of breath from running up the stairs all the time. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, then please consider subscribing to my channel if you aren't already. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like tidy / vlog videos. I will be more than happy to film these in the future. So let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you want to see from me now that Halloween is over. If you still want to see creative looks, then again, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day or evening, wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!